Hello guys, here you can see it is my part model. So here you can see it is my sketch. I'm going to enable the show option. So here you can see my sketch is in the front plane. So I have a mistake that I've chosen the first sketch plane. Actually I want to draw it from the top plane, so by mistakenly I have drawn this in the front plane. So what will happen, what we have to do is, so you may think I have to draw this sketch again on the top plane and again I need to extrude, but that's not the correct way. So SolidWorks also offers us to change the sketch support even after completing the model. So now here you can see it is in the front plane. Now I want it is to a top plane. So what I have to do, here you can see the sketch option, right click. So here you can see edit sketch plane option, click on that. So it may ask for the reference plane, choose the top plane, click on tick. That's it. That's how you can do that. So if you find anything helpful in this video, so then do subscribe to our channel guys.